Hey everyone, welcome back to Teach and Learning. In today's video, we'll explore the Better Font Awesome plugin for WordPress, your go-to tool for easily adding and managing font awesome icons on your website. Let's dive right in. First, let's install the plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New. Search for Better Font Awesome, and once you find it, hit Install and Activate. Simple, right? Once activated, you'll find the settings under Settings, greater than Better Font Awesome. Here, you can customize how the plugin works. Font Awesome version 5.15.4. This indicates the version of Font Awesome that is currently being used by the plugin. Next, we have version check frequency, set to check for updates every 24 hours. This keeps your icons fresh and up to date, at least it should. Namely, a new version of the plugin hasn't been released for 2 years. However, it is stable in operation. We hope it is also secure. If you're using old Font Awesome version 4 icons, enable the v4 CSS shim. It ensures those icons still work with the newer versions. Now, let's tackle potential conflicts. Enable Remove Existing Font Awesome to prevent other plugins or themes from loading different versions of the Font Awesome library. This keeps things smooth and conflict-free. Tired of constant admin notices? Check Hide Admin Notices to suppress these warnings. Just ensure you're comfortable handling CDN or API issues yourself. With the classic editor, you have icons at your fingertips. See for yourself. The link in the description of this video takes you to the text about this plugin, as well as examples of shortcodes. And that's it. With Better Font Awesome, you can effortlessly manage and use Font Awesome icons on your WordPress site. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.